Most people looking at prepaid or payroll-style cards think they're all basically the same. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Some cards make accessing your money easier and cheaper, while others slowly drain your balance through hidden fees and frustrating limits. In this video, you'll learn how the Rapid Pay card works in 2026, the biggest pros and cons, who it's best for, and whether it's actually worth using today. Let's start with the basics. Rapid Pay cards are often used for payroll deposits, direct payments, or managing spending, without relying on a traditional credit card. For many users, especially people without strong banking access, this can feel more convenient than opening a standard bank account. For example, John started using a payroll card because his employer offered direct deposit through the system. Instead of waiting for paper checks, his pay became available much faster. Now here's where it gets interesting. Convenience is usually the biggest selling point. Many users like the ability to receive money quickly, use the card for purchases, and sometimes withdraw cash without needing a traditional bank relationship. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They never fully review the fee structure before using the card regularly. Some prepaid and payroll cards may charge fees for ATM withdrawals, inactivity, balance checks, paper statements, or out-of-network transactions. Those small charges can add up surprisingly fast over time. Alex learned this the hard way after repeatedly using out-of-network ATMs. He thought the fees were tiny at first, but after several months, the extra charges became noticeable. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to decide whether a payroll-style card is helping or hurting your finances. Before that, there's another important factor many people ignore. These cards usually work differently from traditional credit card. That means you generally won't build credit history simply by using the card. This is where many users get confused. Jake assumed regular card usage would automatically improve his credit score. But prepaid and payroll cards often do not function like standard credit building products unless they specifically include credit reporting features. Now let's talk about security and budgeting. One advantage of prepaid-style cards is spending control. Since users mainly spend available funds already loaded onto the card, overspending can sometimes become easier to avoid. But here's the catch. Limited features compared to full banking apps may frustrate some users. Depending on the provider, users may experience lower savings features, fewer financial tools, or customer service limitations. So, is the Rapid Pay card worth it in 2026? For users who want fast payroll access, simple spending management, or an alternative to traditional banking, it may provide useful convenience. But the real value depends heavily on understanding the fees and using the card strategically. The smartest move is comparing all costs before relying on any prepaid financial product long term. The key takeaway is simple. Convenience matters, but fees matter even more. If you've used the Rapid Pay card before, comment below and share your experience. And subscribe for more honest finance app reviews, money tips, and credit building guides.